The Great Pyramid of Giza was the tallest man-made structure for over 3,800 years. Roman concrete was so durable, some structures built with it are still standing today, underwater. The Nazca lines in Peru are geoglyphs so massive they can only be fully appreciated from the air. Ancient Egyptians moved colossal stone blocks weighing up to 80 tons using methods still debated. The city of Petra, Jordan, was carved directly into sandstone cliffs, a true architectural marvel. The Moai statues of Easter Island, weighing up to 75 tons, were moved miles across the island by unknown means. Stonehenge aligns precisely with the sun's movements during the solstices, showcasing advanced astronomical knowledge. The Terracotta Army in China consists of over 8,000 unique life-sized soldiers guarding an emperor's tomb. Incan stonework in places like Machu Picchu is so precise, no mortar was needed, and not even a credit card can fit between stones. The Lighthouse of Alexandria, one of the Seven Wonders, was over 100 meters tall and lit fires visible from 35 miles away.